Build is complete. Moved a few things in. Now I just gotta get some stuff organized, get the electricity ran, repair all of this ground that got torn up from the telehandler and the work crews when they parked over here when it was too soft. Got the lean-to though, wraps around back here. Temporary fence holding all the beasts back here in place. Say hey, goats. Got a walk-through. And we got the 14 by 12 for bringing in an RV or something. Nice long lean-to. Store all the implements. Got 72 by 40 by 16. Badass neighbor helped me run a couple of temporary lights. Trying to decide which color shop lights to go with. Got these like 5K, or we got the 4K. Got a little 8-foot side roll up over there for bringing in equipment. And on the front we have (10 by 10) and a 10 by 12. Actually, no, it's 12 by 12 over there. So this is actually dedicated for the lift. Concrete's poured over here where the lift goes. It's actually 4 foot deep, or I'm sorry, 2 foot squares by 2 foot deep over here. So they went a little bonkers there with the concrete, but it'll hold the lift or whatever else is on the lift. Got some plumbing over here for a bathroom. I'm going to put my old washer and dryer and for shop rags and my old dishwasher for shop parts out here. So a bathroom will be over here in the corner, and then over here is going to be the washer and dryer, and then over here is going to be the sink / dishwasher drain. Then we're going to run a mezzanine from 10 feet out over there all the way across to this side. I might have it, this side will be storage. I'll put my office over in that corner and then a lounge up there in the middle. And now I just need to bring in all my stuff, but before I do that I gotta get this floor cleaned up and sealed. I don't want to drive any cars in here yet. And that's about what we're looking at for now. I'll post some videos of it being built and so forth.